Hey all, Ankit Kisore this side first fleet team and welcome back to my channel. So this is bank tree chart. Wait. Yeah, so this is bank tree chart and these are new levels marked using volume profile and price action. Really sorry, I was a little occupied in the past few days. That's why I wasn't making any video. But from today on, I am going to make video on daily basis again. Okay, so pardon me for the same. Now coming directly to bank nifty analysis for tomorrow. So see, I'm going to analyze sideways opening as well as gap down opening at the same time because they both will fall in this particular zone. So यहाँ पे मैं I'm going to give trading plan for both non-directional trader and directional trader. तो first अगर market sideways या gap down होता है तो what for non-directional trader what you have to do, you have to create a triangle of by selling 35,000 PE and 35,300 CE. Okay, and you have to keep that holding until either this or this gets broken. As and when this zone gets broken, you have to take exit simply. Okay, with whatever profit you will be happy. But as far as I can see and I can think of, अगर मार्केट जोन पे आधे घंटे या 1 घंटे के लिए भी रहता है देन आई थिंक यू विल बी गेटिंग अ डीके ऑफ अराउंड 30-40 पॉइंट्स एंड दैट्स एक्चुअली अ गुड डीके. तो प्लान योर ट्रेड अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके, so this is for non-directional trader, but for directional trader in this particular zone you have to be in wait and watch mode. You don't have to trade. Okay, what you have to, when you have to trade, you have to trade on either when either this or this gets broken. और इन दोनों में से कोई भी जोन अगर टूटता है देन यू हैव टू टेक एंट्री विद एट मैक्स 70-80 पॉइंट्स ऑफ एसएल एंड यू हैव टू कीप इट means keep a target this much. This is around a move of 130-140 points. Okay, so still you will be getting more than 1:1.5. Okay, and in this particular case also you have to keep a SL of around 80 point or 90 points, and this is also a target of 120-130 points. Okay, so this is how you have to plan the risk and plan the trade. Sorry. So this is the analysis for sideways and gap down opening. But what if market opens gap up? तो अगर मार्केट गैप अप होता है और अगर सिर्फ 100 पॉइंट या फिर 80 पॉइंट 90 पॉइंट्स का गैप अप होता है तो ये इस जोन पे ही कहीं रहेगा. तो एज एन व्हेन दिस जोन गेट्स ब्रोकन यू हैव टू टेक एंट्री हियर विथ वही 80-90 पॉइंट्स ऑफ एसएल के साथ, और you have to keep a target of this much, and you can also work with a trailing SL for bigger target of this much because this is a very small zone of 30 point, that's set. Okay, so this can get broken if the volume is continuously coming. Okay, so you have to see at that point of time means how market is behaving, and you can plan the trade accordingly, means whether you have to trail the SL or you just have to book and exit. Okay, so this is for what if market opens gap up. और लेकिन अगर गैप अप कुछ ज़्यादा हुआ और इस जोन पे कहीं पे खुलता है तो फिर ये नो ट्रेडिंग जोन हो जाएगा नॉन डायरेक्शनल डायरेक्शनल ट्रेडर के लिए. बट नॉन डायरेक्शनल ट्रेडर के लिए व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू सेल 35-200 पी एंड 35-400 सी. ओके, तो यू हैव टू सेल, आई रिपीट, यू हैव टू सेल 35-200 पी एंड 35-400 पी सी. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू keep this triangle on hold until either this or this gets broken. और इन दोनों में से कुछ भी ब्रेक होता है तो आपको सीधा एग्जिट करना है. एंड अगेन द सेम थिंग, अगर इस जोन पे मार्केट अगर हाफ एन आवर या 1 आवर के लिए अगर सस्टेन करता है तो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ डीके ऑफ 30-40 पॉइंट. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू प्लान द ट्रेड. So that's all as analysis. Now wait, this is my Telegram channel. If you want to join this channel then please do join it. The link is already in description box. Here I used to give many charts and their analysis. I also used to share some hedging trades which I take. Yesterday only I have shared, not yesterday actually, yeah, yesterday I have shared this trade, this hedge trade which I was holding at that point of time, but I had some work, so that's why I just booked that yesterday only. Although I was saying that I will hold it for more profit, but I just booked it somewhere around 15-16k. Okay, although my target was quite big, but मैं उसे मैनेज मतलब कि मैं उसे उस समय देख नहीं सकता था क्योंकि I was a bit occupied, so I thought better to exit. I took a new position now, so which I will be sharing tomorrow. Okay, so if you want any hedging trades or if you want any chart analysis, and sometime I also share some trades, so you can join this channel. This is good for your learning as well as your earning. Okay, you will do both the things at the same time. Okay, so thanks a lot for your time. And one more thing, if you're liking my content then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also share it with your friends. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.